Welcome to this lesson on traffic signs. Traffic signs are everywhere on the road. They help keep us safe by telling drivers what to do. In this video, you will learn about 4 important traffic signs: stop, yield, speed limit, and no parking. These signs are essential for road safety, and every driver must understand their meaning. Let's start learning about each one. The stop sign is red and shaped like an octagon, which is an 8-sided shape. It has white text that says stop. When you see a stop sign, you must come to a complete stop before moving forward. This means your vehicle should not be moving at all. You should stop at the sign, look both ways to see if other vehicles are coming, and only then proceed if it is safe. The stop sign is the most important traffic sign you need to follow. The yield sign is different from the stop sign. It is triangular in shape and has a white background with a red border. The word yield means to let others go first. When you see a yield sign, you do not have to come to a complete stop like with a stop sign. Instead, you should slow down and check if any other vehicles are coming. If the road is clear, you can proceed. If other vehicles are coming, you must wait and let them pass first. Speed limit signs are rectangular and white with black text and border. They show a number that represents the maximum speed at which you can drive on that road. For example, if the sign says 55 miles per hour, you cannot drive faster than that speed. Speed limits are set to keep everyone safe. Different roads have different speed limits. For instance, roads in cities usually have lower speed limits than highways. Always obey the speed limit sign to avoid accidents and follow the law. The no parking sign is circular with a white background and red border. It has a large red letter P with a red line crossing through it diagonally. This sign tells you that you are not allowed to park your vehicle in this location. If you see a no parking sign, you must not leave your car parked there. You may receive a fine or penalty if you park where this sign is displayed. Always find a proper parking area that is allowed and safe. Now let's compare all 4 traffic signs together. The stop sign is red and octagonal, and it requires a complete stop. The yield sign is triangular with a red border, and it means to slow down and let others pass. The speed limit sign is rectangular and white, showing the maximum speed allowed. The no parking sign is circular with a red P crossed out, meaning no parking is allowed. Each sign has a different shape, color, and meaning. Learning to recognize these signs quickly helps you drive safely. Following traffic signs is essential for road safety. First, stay alert and always watch for traffic signs while driving. Second, respect all speed limits and posted regulations on the road. Third, always come to a complete stop at stop signs before proceeding. Fourth, give way to other traffic when yield signs require it. These rules protect you and other people on the road. By following traffic signs, you prevent accidents and save lives. Remember that traffic signs are rules, not suggestions. Every driver has a responsibility to obey them. Let's review what we learned today. Stop signs are red octagons that require a complete stop. Yield signs are triangles that mean to slow down and give right-of-way to other traffic. Speed limit signs are white rectangles showing the maximum speed allowed on that road. No parking signs are circles with a red P crossed out, prohibiting parking in that area. These 4 signs are fundamental to understanding road safety. Always obey traffic signs, stay alert while driving, and respect the rules of the road. By doing this, you help create a safer environment for everyone. Thank you for learning about traffic signs today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.